In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in a PDF. Maybe you've combined a bunch of documents into one PDF, or you scanned something and the pages came out in the wrong order. Rearranging pages is a simple way to clean that up and make your file easier to read and share. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently reorder any PDF you're working with. First, open the PDF file you want to edit. You can do this using a dedicated PDF editor, an online PDF tool, or a built-in viewer that supports page management. If you're not sure which app to use, look for one that mentions Organize Pages, Page Thumbnails, or Page Management in its menu. Once your file is open, give it a quick scroll so you remember roughly where everything is and which pages need to move. Next, switch to a view that shows all your pages as thumbnails. This is usually found in a sidebar or under an option called something like Page Thumbnails or Organize Pages. When you turn this on, you'll see small previews of every page in order, which makes it much easier to spot pages that are out of place. Now, it's time to rearrange. Click once on the page you want to move to select it. Most tools will highlight the selected page with a border. Then, click and hold that page and drag it to its new position. As you drag, you'll usually see a line or a shaded area that shows where the page will land. Release the mouse to drop it into place. Take a moment to confirm that the numbering or order now matches what you want. If you need to move multiple pages at once, many tools let you do that too. You can usually hold down a modifier key, like Shift or Control on your keyboard, and click several thumbnails to select a group. Then drag that group just like you did with a single page. This is especially helpful if you need to move a whole section or chapter together. When you're happy with the new layout, scroll through the PDF from start to finish to double-check everything. Make sure nothing is duplicated or missing, and that sections flow in the right order. Finally, save your changes. It's often a good idea to use Save As and create a new file name, so you keep a backup of the original just in case you want to go back. Once it's saved, your PDF is ready to share, print, or archive with the pages in exactly the order you need.